The rise of social media networks in the last decade has gone hand in hand with the growth of direct messaging apps. In this video, you learn more about the biggest messaging platforms, WhatsApp and Messenger, which are both Facebook products. We look at how the tools work and how businesses can use them to connect with our customers. People are increasingly relying on messaging apps to easily chat, call, and share photos and videos with their loved ones around the world. Indeed, research firm eMarketer forecasts messaging app users worldwide will have reached 3.12 billion by the end of 2023. WhatsApp is a free messaging app that works both on mobile and desktop. WhatsApp lets you connect directly with people through chat, messages, and calls for free. In February 2020, WhatsApp announced that they have more than 2 billion users around the world, making it the most popular messaging app in the world. On WhatsApp, you can message your friends and family using your phone's internet connection, so you can avoid SMS fees or charges you may incur on your data plan when sending text messages. Similarly, you can also make free voice and video calls even to people in another country. You can also send photos and videos on WhatsApp instantly. With WhatsApp, photos and videos sent quickly, even if you're on a slow connection. WhatsApp also has a feature called Status, which allows you to share text, photos, videos, and animated GIFs that disappear after 24 hours in order to send and receive status updates to and from your contacts. Both you and your contacts must have each other's phone numbers saved in your address book. Around the world, we see that people are increasingly relying on WhatsApp for a few simple things: chats, calling, and sharing. There are more than 1 billion WhatsApp accounts active every day, and 2 billion minutes of calls are made every day. There are 450 million WhatsApp accounts that are active on WhatsApp status every day. On WhatsApp, you can share messages, photos, and videos with one person or with a group of up to 256 people at once. 9 out of 10 of the messages sent on WhatsApp or from one person to another, and majority of groups have fewer than 10 people. WhatsApp provides the intimacy of communicating one-on-one or with just a few friends, which is why privacy is a priority for the company. WhatsApp's commitment to user safety includes collecting as little data as possible. All a person needs is a phone number to get started. Each and every message delivered on WhatsApp is automatically encrypted end-to-end, so not even WhatsApp or Facebook can see its content.